Yo, 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 this is Mr. O. So today we're gonna try to construct two similar triangle. So we're gonna construct triangle ABC. We're gonna construct triangle A prime, B, and C prime. And we would like them to be similar. We would like to make them similar triangles with a scale factor of, let's say, AB is to A prime, B is, let's say, 2 is to 5. Okay. So that means the A prime B C prime triangle will be much bigger than the original triangle ABC. Okay. So let's draw the triangle ABC. So it doesn't matter how big you want it. I'm gonna try to make sure that it's not too big so it will fit on my paper. I'm gonna draw an acute triangle here. Okay. It's my triangle B A C. Okay. The very first thing you do in constructing is I'm gonna draw a ray from B. Doesn't matter which angle or direction it goes. I'm gonna put it from B towards this way. That's my ray. Let's say BD. Okay. Since the scale factor is 2 to 5, I need to cut this ray into 5 portion. It doesn't matter how wide your radius is, as long as it will fit on this ray. So I'm not gonna make it too long. So I'm gonna put the point on B, draw an arc, one, and then after that, put your point on the intersection of the arc and the ray. Two, three, four, and five. There you go. So basically, I divide it into 5 parts: B1, B2, B3, B4, and B5. Okay. The next thing you need to do here is you need to stretch your BC. So you can find your C prime somewhere there. So I'm going to make it longer here. There you go. And I can also stretch the AB. So I can look for the A prime somewhere there. Okay. There you go. Since we're trying to make a scale factor as 2 to 5, we know that the original triangle will have a 2 and the new one will have a 5. That's their comparison. So I'm going to go to B2. I will connect B2 to C, and then that's the B2 is for the original triangle, the triangle ABC. But since the scale factor is 2 to 5, I need to go to the B5 and draw a parallel line to B2C, but it has to be on the fifth one, the fifth arc. Okay. So how can I draw a parallel line? I cannot just draw a line there and assume that they're parallel. Has to be perfect. So what I need to do is get your compass, any width, put the point on B2, doesn't matter the width, and then draw an arc. Make sure it crossed the ray BD and the segment B2 to C. After you draw an arc, do the same thing. on B5. Okay, on B5. So I'm gonna draw it. Copy. I did not change the width. Okay, whatever the radius of this has to be the same thing when I put it in B5. Okay. Now we're going to try to copy the angle measurement of B, B2, and C by adjusting your compass. Put the point on the intersection of the arc and the segment and put the pencil right here. On this case here, you have to adjust your pencil and make sure it crosses the intersection. If it's not, then it's not going to make an accurate measurement. So there you go. See my arc here? They intersect. That means I've copied that already. So now I need to put the copy that angle measurement on B5 by putting the point on this intersection of the arc and the ray and make an arc over here. With that, I'm going to connect the B5 and that intersection and make sure when you connect them, it should touch the extended line on or side of BC. So I will connect that. Make sure it's aligned. And we found here our C prime. Okay. Now we will repeat this process to find the A prime, except that we don't have to cut this ray into 5 parts again, like what we did in BD. We just have to find a parallel line to AC over here. They need to be parallel, and that's how I'm gonna find the A prime. And how do you do it? We're gonna try to find the corresponding angle of BCA over here. So we're gonna copy this angle measurement over to the C prime. We're gonna do whatever we did here and repeat it on this angle C prime. So again, we're gonna put our point on C. You can have any measurement of arc, but it has to cross this side and this side of the angle. So I'm gonna put a C, draw an arc here. Do the same thing on the C prime. Don't change the width. It has to be the same thing. And now we're gonna copy the angle of BCA by putting the point here and adjust your pencil. There you go, it crosses there. So I'm gonna put the point on this intersection and to the intersect to the arc. There you go. I'll connect that to the C prime and make sure it crossed the extended AB. And there you go. This is your A prime. So have we construct ABC? Yes, this is my ABC here. Where is the A prime B C prime is right here. I'm gonna darken it so you can see it better. And there you have it. We have constructed ABC and a similar triangle that one, which is A prime B C prime with a scale factor of 2 to 5. As always, kaboom.